Today I'm going to talk to you about the most underutilized life insurance product in the country. Hi, my name is Jeremy Smith, and over the better part of the last 16 years I've been an agent, a manager, an owner-operator of my own brokerage, and for the last 7 years I've been a business coach traveling the country helping agents and agency owners grow their practice. Stay with me because I'm going to try and help you grow yours. If you've been on YouTube before, then you know the game. Please like, comment, and hit subscribe. So I really do believe that this is one of the most underutilized products in the country when it comes to life insurance. This is a product that pays some of the highest commissions of anything you can do with a life and health insurance license. This is a product that can fix financial problems for your client and provide solutions that no other product in the country can provide. And it's a product that less than 5% of all insurance licensed agents in the United States offer. And even less actually understand. And even less than that actually understand the true benefits of it and actually know how to sell it. I'm talking about what's called a single premium life insurance policy. And to those of you that already sell life insurance, I get it, that was a big build-up to a term that you've already heard of. But I'm going to break tradition today, and I'm going to talk to you about a specific product with a specific company. The company is EquiTrust. The product is called a WealthMax. I'm going to teach you today about the product, the features and benefits of it, and then I'm also going to teach you how to sell it. Again, I just simply can't understand how much easy business is not being written because agents aren't aware of this product. They don't understand the true features and benefits of it. They don't know how to find the business, and probably just as importantly, they don't know how to present this product. I'm going to try and fix that problem right now. Before I get into this, I want to reiterate one thing. I said a little bit ago on here that it's simplified issue. I'm hoping you know what that means. If you don't, it simply means that there's no big underwriting 10-week game where they're going to poke their blood and take their temperature and a nurse comes seeing them pee in a cup. None of that happens. It's 12 or 14 questions that if they answer no to, they're good. They're approved. Okay? The other thing I want to keep in mind too is it's kind of a life and annuity hybrid. So the thing you have to keep in mind is this money that you purchase the policy like this with, it's got to be non-qualified money. If you don't know what that means, it's money that the taxes have already been paid. So it's not money you can pull out of your IRA, for example, to buy a WealthMax policy. It's money that's already in your checking account. Money that might be in a CD or a money market account. Okay, so now we've got the stage set for what type of money goes into a WealthMax. Let me break down to you how this policy works. Okay, I've got a client personally, I use this a lot of times in my example, and she was a 64-year-old female that was a non-smoker, and she had $50,000 in a CD at the bank. This is probably 2 years ago, so maybe up to date, not quite up to date on exactly what CD rates are, but it hasn't changed much. On a $50,000 note, she was making about 1.5% interest on her CD. The reason why she had it in her CD, the reason why your clients have money in CDs or the checking account or a money market account, there's one big reason, and it's liquidity. They feel like if something happens and they need to get their money, they can go quickly get at that money. Obviously in a CD, they'd probably break the contract, they might lose a little bit of interest, but they're willing to earn pretty much no money at all on their money in a CD or a money market account or a checking account these days, just to know that they have liquidity and they can go get it in case of an emergency. What I did with my client was instead of putting that money with a bank and earning little to no interest, we put this money with an insurance company. Okay? And so we took that $50,000 in premium, and here's what she got in the WealthMax that she didn't ever have before. First of all, she got a 5% premium bonus. So on $50,000, she got $2,000 added to her account on day number one. Just about as much as she would have probably earned in her CD over a 2-year period. This has the ability to earn up to 7% a year if the stock market goes up. If the stock market goes down, she can't lose a dime. Much like an equity indexed annuity. But she's also got a $126,000, $127,000 initial death benefit. If something happens to her tomorrow, that amount of money goes on to her kids or grandkids tax-free in the form of life insurance. Now this death benefit is a decreasing death benefit, but the bottom it will go to is $86,500. So in this example, if my client never has that catastrophic emergency and ultimately the money stays in here and she passes away in her sleep sometime down the road, her kids are going to get somewhere between $86,000 and $126,000 of tax-free life insurance money. That money, if it was in a CD, she could live another 50 years and it wouldn't ever accumulate to that much in tax-free life insurance. From a growth standpoint, it's got the potential to earn up to 7% a year in the stock market. I'm not done though. The benefits of this, here's a big one. It gives her long-term care coverage. It allows her to get up to $2,400 a month for the next 36 months if she goes to a nursing home. And here's the real cool thing. If the world changes and all of a sudden CD rates go back up to 10% in 2 years from now, and she says, well, I want to go back and get my money in a CD. I don't know why she would, but if she wanted to, she can get 100% of her money back at any time with no penalties at all. So you tell me which makes more sense for the client. Having your money in a CD or a money market account or a checking account that's earning .nothing% interest, or all of these benefits and income potentials. It's a no-brainer. And all you have to do as the agent is find the business. Find a client that's got money in a CD money market account or a checking account and explain this product. If they've got their health enough to where they can qualify for a simplified issue policy, this policy, in my opinion, is a no-brainer, night and day better scenario for them than where they're currently at. And I will say one more thing too. You have a lot of clients, whether you know it or not, that have big concerns about long-term care. And their health won't allow them to qualify for a fully underwritten long-term care policy. This is a simplified issue policy. So not only is there ways for them to earn more money, pass more money on to their kids and grandkids, but it might be the only way that they'll ever have any type of long-term care coverage because they can't qualify health-wise for a conventional policy. So keep that in the back of your mind as you're meeting with your clients. All right, so I told you that I was going to teach you how to sell this policy. Well, I just taught you. What I just did the last couple minutes in explaining and going through this, that is how I sell the policy. The only difference is I might do a Ben Franklin with a T right here, and on this column show them what they currently have right now, which is $50,000 times 1.5% in interest minus taxes, and that's the sum value of what they currently have, and then show them which would you rather have, all of this or this. That's how I present this product. That's how I recommend that you present this product. Keep it simple. Explain to them what they have and explain to them what they can have. So in closing, I've said this in past videos. If you want to be a remarkable insurance agent, find a niche. Find things that you offer, things that you are an expert in that nobody else is an expert in. I'm here to tell you that single premium life insurance is one of those things. I have a lot of connections with the marketing organizations, and it's the lowest sector of volume of anything we do in our business. When it comes to single premium life insurance policies, I think this EquiTrust WealthMax is the tell-all be-all of single premium life insurance policies. Get boned up on it, learn about it, get contracted with it. You need help with any of those things, message me. I hope this was valuable. I'll look forward to seeing you next week, and please don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.